Hi, I'm Guilherme Palau, and in this video what I'm going to show you is how to do incremental video with local files. So you just need a few steps to follow. I just created a brand new collection. It's empty, I just call it video. That's the default concept. So if you go to the built-in templates, you already have one template for video. So that's the video component, and that's a text or HTML component for the metadata. So what you need to do is very simple, is go to Files, Import, Files and Folders, and select where you want. For instance, what you want is this video, which actually is the...
Hi, I am Guilherme.
It's the intro of the channel, but it's not inside any folder. As you can see, it doesn't appear here. So what I recommend is to create a folder. In this case, is import. It's inside already. Okay. As easy as that. Because you import everything that is inside the folder. So if I do here, I will be importing all these exe and everything I don't want to import. So now, in case it's not refreshed, let me cancel just in case. Import files and folders. I select this import. You can do, if you want to import 7, 100, 1000 videos, it's the same process. And here you will have everything inside. So you can do this in bulk, actually. I want to keep the original video, and I don't want the first interval. Okay. So by default, most likely you will have this issue. Cannot open player's device. A problem occurred utilizing MCI. This is because you lack the drivers. Usually, for instance, what I use for video, it's VLC. And VLC always uses his own drivers. So what you need to do is installing this Coolite codec pack. There are different versions. I don't know if the basic is enough, but just in case, I suggest to go to the full or mega. So it's better that I am installing more stuff that I need, that be short of codecs and drivers. So you download this file, very easy, is an exe, executable. Okay, advanced. Prefer video, VLC, please don't change that. Oh, nice. Actually, it tells you what I just told you. Okay. Okay, go ahead. So many things. Yeah, I guess you don't actually need to change the stuff. Reset all settings, manage shortcut. No thank you. No thank you. Check for updates. No thank you. Okay. Oh my god. No. Yeah, I guess I can leave this at this. What are the options? NVIDIA, just in case, software. Stereo. Oh, so many options. Yeah. Not everything SuperMemo can use, but just in case, I will leave everything. Okay. I think you don't need to restart. Let me check that.
Hi, I am Guilherme Palau. I have been...
Okay, let me pause for a second. When I was editing this video, I noticed that the video that plays in SuperMemo, it's not recorded by Twitch Studio or OBS. I guess that's a limitation of the codecs or whatever. So even if you see a black screen, I'm watching the video, even though you can listen to the video, and this won't affect the tutorial at all. Thank you. That's it, now it plays. It plays, so you don't even need to restart. So if you make an extract, start here and end here. Oh my god.
Hi, I am Guillem Palau. I have been
Well, this falls outside of this video.
and I am still.
I just created a new extract. And if you noticed, the extract has a yellowish background, even though there's nothing played. I think that's the default. So this doesn't have. You have the. It has the template. So in case you want to keep the same color, what I suggest is edit this color. I think one of those two. I'm not sure. I think it's this one. And now overwrite template, save as template, and call it the same. In this case, it's video. So now even the extracts and the main window, the main video, will be the same color. And that's all you need to know to play video locally in SuperMemo. Have fun and please enjoy the pleasure of learning. See ya.